Hello friends, is your car suddenly jerking or misfiring on bumpy roads? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows code P0319, your vehicle's rough road sensor is malfunctioning, causing incorrect misfire detections. This could lead to engine hesitation, poor performance, and even unnecessary repairs. In this video, we'll explain what P0319 means, symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0319 stands for Rough Road Sensor B, no signal. Your car's powertrain control module relies on rough road sensors and ABS wheel speed sensors to detect road conditions and differentiate between actual misfires and road-induced vibrations. If the rough road sensor B stops sending signals, the PCM may think your engine is misfiring when it's actually just reacting to the road surface. Since P0319 is related to rough road detection, you need to check these key locations: rough road sensor B, usually mounted on the vehicle's chassis or suspension system. It detects road conditions and sends signals to the PCM. Crankshaft position sensor, located near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel. It helps the PCM detect misfires. Camshaft position sensor, found on the cylinder head. It works with the CKP sensor to ensure proper ignition timing. Wheel speed sensors, mounted on each wheel hub or near brake rotors. They send speed data to the PCM. ABS control module, located near the master cylinder or under the dashboard. It processes road condition data. Suspension components. If worn out, they can cause excessive vibrations, leading to rough road detection errors. If any of these sensors or components fail, the PCM won't receive accurate road condition data, triggering P0319. Faulty rough road sensor B. If the sensor fails, it won't send road condition data to the PCM. Broken or disconnected wiring. Corroded or loose wires can prevent the sensor from sending signals. Malfunctioning ABS sensors. Faulty wheel speed sensors can confuse the PCM. Defective crankshaft or camshaft sensor. Incorrect engine speed readings may contribute to the issue. Worn suspension parts. Damaged shocks or loose components can increase road vibrations, affecting rough road detection. Faulty ABS control module. If the module isn't processing road data correctly, P0319 may appear. Ignoring P0319 can lead to false misfire detections, rough driving conditions, and unnecessary repairs. Fixing it ensures better performance, smoother rides, and accurate diagnostics. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0258, injection pump fuel metering control. B, low circuit P0259, injection pump fuel metering control B, high circuit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.